guys, welcome to another vlog, and this is a travel vlog, but then it's a mystery destination. So I'll leave you guessing where I'll be heading to in a couple of days. But right now, I want to film how to pick some bits of work for the trip. So let's get ready.
Wakana kyo hikine wonanagia mutire nake nande hogora na konge ukamu nerarido ndathie kahinda ngiukanda korire agoikareire ngeigua tandate mwona rwenji ngirora na konge wendaga kuraga ndutura igere na ihiga rimwe urigane ibate moche miakorire mukungi.
Okay, so let's do like a quick check. I don't want to waste lots of time in the store today, so hopefully everything that I've picked so far looks nice. First outfit is looking like this. I think this jean is quite big. It's not giving snatched, but overall, what do you guys think? Most of my jeans are like this, but I would really love if it's firm. I think it's big, but the top. Second outfit, I really like this pink jumper, but the problem I have with getting this jumper is my tumble dryer used to shrink my jumpers, and if I underwash this jumper, there'll be nowhere to air dry it because of the weather. But I think I'm gonna get the jumper. Or what do you guys think? This jean is in size 14. I'm supposed to be wearing size 12, by all means possible, but I'm not used to skinny jeans anymore. I just like when it's big and flattering. What do you guys think? I really love the jumpers. The jumper. So I didn't pick that other one. I'm just going to go upstairs now and see if I can get like a male t-shirt, because I like to wear male t-shirts anyway. And then I'm going to go back to M&S to get my kind of jeans. Okay guys, I'm getting really tired. I'm in M&S now, and I picked these two and some other ones here, so I'm gonna try it shortly and let's see how it fits. It's actually not warm, very warm where I'm going to, so if you're trying to guess where it is, guys, what do you think about this? Looks funny though. And this is large. This is large. I think it's quite big, although I think I like this. Now I'm confused whether to take this one or go for the next pink. This is extra large. Look funny. think I'll go for this one. I like it. Try this chain, I think. I'll go for the regular length because I don't know if you can see me. I don't know if you can see. It's quite long. I'll go for the regular length. So I think I'll Hi guys, I'm at the airport now and I just checked in my bag. Can you still guess where I'm going to, or you're trying or you've not guessed right? Anyways, I couldn't vlog, like I couldn't do so many things after my shopping 2 days back, and yeah, the weather just went crazy. I mean, I'm freezing cold, but it's better since we got into the airport. So yeah, after now I will probably just find something to eat. I thought they said people don't travel during winter. They lie.
Four exits are over the way. 2 exits are behind the wheel. And 2 exits are at the rear. In the event of evacuation, it is important to leave your luggage and follow the 4-bar marking, which should guide you to the emergency exit. Please take a moment to locate the exit nearest to you, keeping in mind that might be.
Good morning, guys. Can't believe I slept off yesterday and I didn't complete the vlog. So, I'm so tired already. Got to this place like, don't mind my voice. I'm just waking up actually. And put that out. So, we got here like, say, past 8 UK time, and then we just went straight to look for food. I couldn't vlog. My battery was low, tired, and the weather here is not as cold as the UK, but then more. I'm having a dry chest and a dry throat. Anyways, let's do this adventure thing together. I am in I'll see you in my next vlog anyways, and that time I'll be revealing my destination and we'll do stuff together. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you drop a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.